Let's go and create a Android virtual device. So for that, what we need to do is we need to go to tools here, or Android AVD manager, or also you can see here we have a circle. So if you don't see a toolbar over here, you can just go to view and select the toolbar. Now you can uncheck and you can go and check it back, so you can see a toolbar. So this is the shortcut, and just click on it and you can see create a new virtual device over here, and just click on create virtual device, and you can select any of the model over here. So I will select at least 5.7, which is a bigger screen size. You can select any other one, so I'm selecting a Nexus 6P, which is 5.7 inch, so that would be a better one. And just click on next, and here you can see I have already downloaded one OS or one image of Oreo, which is API level 27 and Android 8.1. so if you haven't downloaded, it will show you a download button to download all of the required image. So now you can see that you need to download the other version that you want to download if you haven't downloaded any of it. So let's go and download one of the other version. So I have already downloaded 8.1. so let's go and download the latest version, which is an Android 9.0. so let's go and download. So for this you need to click on download button over here. Just click on download and it will go and download the image for you. It may take some time. Just accept it and it will download for you. So let's wait for at least few minutes to get it downloaded, and I'll be back when it's done. Our SDK has successfully downloaded and installed. You can see it's finished already, so just click on finish, and now you can see over here we have one is Android Oreo and one is Android Pie, which is version 27 and 28. So that's good. Let's select Android 9.0 first and select next, and I will select, give the name for your Android virtual device, and just go on more setting, and you can see how much of RAM is you're assigning. That's 1.5 GB. That's good enough, and just click on finished, and it may take a bit time. Okay, here we can see now our virtual device is created. So what we can do now is we can select run from here, and it may take a few minutes to just start up. It's the first time, so it may take a few minutes. Now our virtual device is up already. So what we can do now is we can close this one, and we'll go over here and we will run. So when you click on run, it will ask you to connect to the which device. So we have already run our Nexus 6P. We'll select this one and click on OK, and just wait for installation. It's building up, so it may take just a few minutes. Since it's the first time, so it may take a bit longer time to build up your app and to get it done. So just hold on. Here we go. You can see our blog, my blog, and your app is already up and running, and it says hello world, so which means it has been successfully installed and run. So we don't have any error. That's good. And let's continue with this, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, have a great day.